Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we're going to do 2018 MC paper 2 question 16. So before we start, let me tell you the people who were correct for this question was only 39%. Yes, it is a hard question, but then if you know the typical steps of it, then it's not hard at all. So first of all, ABCD is a parallelogram. This big thing is a parallelogram. One of the properties is opposite sides are equal. And then next we have information is BE to EC is 5 to 3, the ratio of them. And then we also know area of a thing, and we have to find the area of this thing. Whoa, cool. So let's get writing all the information. BE to EC is 5 to 3, so the whole thing is 8. Okay, remember opposite sides are same, so this is 8k, then this is also 8k. So and then we have known that is 120 cm square because it's written here. Yeah, now let's see what we can find. Well, if you can't think of anything, then maybe you can think, are there any similar triangles? Are there any triangles that have same base different height, or same height different base, like that? Then you can think of it something. Wait, maybe we can already see some similar triangle. Remember the shapes? It should be either this way or this way usually. So if you have these two types, then yes, you get similar triangles. In similar triangles, the actual values of each sides are not the same, but then the sides ratio are always the same. For example, if they are 8 to 5, then other ratios are also 8 to 5. Okay, let's write it in a simple way. These will be also 8 8, and these will be also 5 5, not their actual values, just the ratio. So can we still find the area of them? Well, we don't know area of any of them, so we can't actually. So what should we do next? Well, maybe let's see if there is a same base and different height thing, or same height different thing. For that, remember the shapes. The most common shape is this way. Do you see any shape now? Hopefully you do. Here, see, there's a triangle, inside there's a line, just like that. So if we draw it separately, it will be, oops, so let me draw it nicely like this, and then we have a line inside. This side is 5, this is 8, this one we don't know, and this one is 120. So their height are same, but then their base are different. So the area ratio is the base ratio. Area ratio is the base ratio. Now please click calculator. What do you get it? If you can find answer as 75, then you are correct. Okay, whatever we can find, just write it down yet. Anything else? Well, yes, you can find this now, right? Because remember, it is a similar triangle. So if you have similar triangles, you can find the areas if you have one of the areas. So let's do that now. This one, this is the similar triangle I was talking about. So area ratio, let's say this one is area ratio is the side ratio square. Okay, so can you also click that, square it, and then times 75? You get area is 192. But can you find this one now? Actually, it shouldn't be hard anymore. So remember, this is a parallelogram. Another property is this is the diagonal line is actually cut into the heart. So this side area equals to this side. So what is that side in total? 192 plus 120. Yep, this is 312. So this side also should equals to 312. We don't need this 75 anymore, so you just can minus that. 312 minus 75. You should be able to get your answer to 37. Okay, that will be your answer for it. Of course, for this question, there are other methods. If you still want to learn it, you can ask on IG, or this method is already easy enough. Hopefully, you can get this correct next time and not be the part of the other 61 percentage person. You should be in this 39. So this is not that hard. You just need to know these typical methods. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.